Zombie Apocalypse.
Pangu is one of the tourist destinations in Tanah Toraja. It is located at an altitude of 1,700 km above sea level, and Pangu Natural Tourist Inn located above 7 km from Makale City. Tanah Toraja Regency, South Sulawesi provides Indonesia. Apart from the beautiful scenery, the cool air also feel refreshing. Pangu is a natural tourist attraction at an altitude. Therefore, many people in the surrounding community call it a country above the clouds. This is because Pangu is a forest on top of a mountain. Pangu is a tourist attraction that combines the elements of tourist attraction, namely nature tourist and agro tourist. Pangu tourist is referred to as agro tourist because if you visit here, you will be able to witness the process of plant nurseries, the planting process to the picking process of the fruits and vegetables grown here. The superior product in Pangu is coffee that is processed and sold and then known as Toraja coffee. In addition, other products are chocolate, palm sugar, tamarillo or better known as tamarillo, peanut, corn, and various fruits and vegetables. Other vegetables. Before becoming a tourist spot, it is said that Pangu was a place used by Japanese soldiers to see and monitor enemy movement from a height, because this place was very strategic to witness it all. Pangu tourist is called natural tourist because if you visit here, you will enjoy fresh and beautiful mountain views. Besides that, you will also feel the pleasure of traveling here because in the Pangu area there are very many and large pine forests. This pine forest, the tree is big so it can protect you from the hot sun and from a beautiful view. Besides that, from above Pangu you will be able to see the whole city of Makale from above this place. Not only that, you can also see that sunset and see that beautiful clouds that sunlight and hunt each other. To prepare tourists who come to Pangu, Tanah Toraja Nature Tourist, the government has made facilities to support of these tourists, including the government building a gazebo to sit together and enjoy the cool natural surrounding. Besides that, there are also toilet facilities, parking lots, and various other facilities. There are two best times to enjoy Pangu: sunrise and evening. At sunrise, a travel will be present with three colored clouds that appear at 5:30 to 9 o'clock in Central Indonesian time. By late afternoon, the fog will rise to cover the park. A traveler will be made as if he was covered in a cloud. This attraction can be enjoyed by a traveler starting at 15 o'clock Central Indonesian time. The atmosphere will feel colder as the fog descends. This is the right time to drink Toraja coffee. Next to the park, there is a shop that provides coffee and light snacks. A traveler will be made authentic Toraja coffee, not fake coffee. Hello, see you again with me Yoldi Barumbo. This time I will make a Mak Pyong Pig tutorial video. But before we continue, wait the intro, enjoy this video.
Zombie apocalypse.
First, we go to the tool and materials 20. Tool, bambu, machete, layer container, ingredients, pork, Miana leaves, chili, garlic, shallot, leek, salt, and Ajinomoto. We get into the cooking process. Cut the pork into the size of a soft bar or according to taste weight and mash it so that it will fit into the bamboo. Also prepare vegetable mayana, which is a typical Toraja vegetable. Then also prepare other spices. After already combine the mayana and other spices together with the pork in a large container. While mixing it, sprinkle salt and Ajinomoto to soak it in. It is time for us to put the processed product into the bamboo, which has been cut into pieces as a container for pakpyeong. While filling, often stop the bamboo so that there are no empty void. The last process in the time to cook pakpyeong. This process takes a long time and also requires frequent attention so that the bamboo does not burn. Also, bamboo must be rotated frequently so that it ripens evenly. After cooking, the water must be reformed so that it does not spoil quickly. This is the result of pakpyeong which has been cooked in bamboo.
Zombie apocalypse.
Shalom, best visit to all of us. First of all, let me say thanks to the presence of God Almighty because for the blessing of His grace I was able to stand in this place to deliver a speech about one of the gambling in Toraja. Ladies and gentlemen, talking about gambling that come to mind is a very negative thing in life because gambling is one way to get money in an instant or easy way. If we talk about the problem of gambling, it seems that it will never end. Talking about gambling, there are many kinds of gambling that we know. But on this occasion, I will discuss on one form of gambling that exists in Tanah Toraja, namely buffalo fighting or Mapasilaga Tedong. We know that this one tradition has been carried out by the Toraja people from their sector. This is a hereditary tradition. No wonder this tradition is still preserved to this day, because it is a cultural tradition of the Toraja people. However, the problem is that this culture or tradition already contains element of gambling. Why? Because buffalo fighting or Mapasilaga Tedong is now using the coins of buffalo that has been were carried forth. The goal is none other than because this buffalo buffalo will be used as gambling material. People bet big money by relying on buffaloes of their coins. Actually, this gambling is not the main objective of buffalo fighting, but to entertain bereaved families. It is no longer being said that it looks like the buffalo fighting tradition has been abolished, but it is. The buffalo fighting tradition in modern times has been abolished. We know that gambling is an act that is against God's will. But for some people in the world, they think that gambling is an exciting and profitable game. By mistake, let us understand as other. Let's wake up. We know gambling is bad deeds. Therefore, stay away from gambling and let's do something positive. Quality things or work that good ones. If this is all I can say, more or less places understand. Thank you.